Hello, children! Welcome to Kids Torah Time. And today, Parsha Vayakhel Pekudei.
What? Could you explain? What is a neshama?
I am the soul. I am the neshama.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, you look like the beast.
And you look like the beauty.
What is your name?
My name is the animal soul.
Animal and me?
I am responsible for every person that they will eat a lot and drink a lot and sleep and have a great time. And who are you?
So you are a soul like every animal has, because every animal eats and drinks and sleeps and does what they want. But when Hashem created man in Gan Eden from dirt, He put His breath in him. And He said, this man will be like God. So I'm special. Because of me, people pray. Because of me, people learn. And they read, and they build, and they create. This is the godly soul. This is me. We together are the soul, and we give people life.
We always compete who will be in charge inside a person. Oh.
You know, many people think that we see through the eyes.
Of course. Where do we see? Through the nose?
You're so funny, like a giraffe. Did you ever see a dead bird?
Yes.
Does a dead bird has eyes?
Yes.
But she can't see, right? Because the soul left her. We see and hear and smell through the soul.
So what are the eyes for?
The eyes are the windows that the soul see through. If the window is closed, like the man is blind or sleeping, the soul cannot see through. Beast, what makes you happy?
I am happy when my person eats
Like a lion,
and sleeps
like a dog,
and lies on the beach
like an alligator,
and runs wherever he wants.
like a camel in the desert. I am the godly soul. I'm like God. You cannot touch him, you cannot smell him, you cannot see him. So I have a pleasure and I eat things that are spiritual, that you cannot see, you cannot touch, and you cannot smell.
What is she talking about?
Kids, he's a beast. He doesn't understand anything. I'm going to explain to you.
Spiritual?
Children, you are smart. You can understand what spiritual is. Do you ever feel sad? Do you feel sometimes happy? Do you feel envious or very stressed? We have all these feelings. Did you ever touch a feeling? Did you ever see a feeling? But you know it's there, right? You feel it. The same is with Hashem and the godly soul. You cannot see us, you cannot touch us, but we are there.
Great. I didn't understand anything.
No,
Okay.
I understand. Oh!
Spiritual. I am physical. What is your spiritual food?
Blessing before we eat, blessing after we eat. This is my spiritual food.
And what is your spiritual sleep?
Saying Shema Israel before we go to sleep. Saying Modeh Ani in the morning. This is my sleep.
And what is your spiritual hanging out?
Oh, hanging out is learning Torah, praying, davening, and saying Tehillim.
And what is your spiritual enjoyment?
Jewish music, making mitzvot. This is my enjoyment. Children, you know, the nation of Israel also has a soul.
Animal soul.
No, only godly soul. Hashem gave the people of Israel the greatest gift, the Shabbat, the Sabbath. You know, until we got the Shabbat, there was no day of a week. Everybody was working. Beast, when you want something from your mother, what do when you want something really bad?
I say, Mommy.
Please.
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mommy. Do you know what Hashem is doing when He really wants something? When something is really important to Him? He writes it many times in the Torah. Can you guess how many times the word Shabbat is in the Torah? The neshama has two parts, the animal soul and the godly soul. Together they give life to a person. The Shabbat, the soul of Am Israel, the people of Israel, kept the nation alive. Actually, on Shabbat, we have a special third soul, the Shabbat soul. Hashem really wants us to keep the Shabbat. That's why He mentioned the Shabbat 34 times in the Torah. Just like the wine flows to all 6 cups, so does the blessing of the Shabbat flows to the 6 days of the week. Why on the shield of King David was engraved a Star of David? Because he knew what is protecting him and all the nation of Israel. The Shabbat in the center, sending protection to all the 6 days around her. The soul of the Jewish people is the Shabbat. Always was, is, and always will be. Shabbat Shalom. Love you. Mwah.